Hello folks, I've done a few more pickings in between videos and I decided to do another video because I got a surprise later on here. I deadhead these roses. The more I deadhead them, the more they're going to start blooming. I also fertilized everything today too. I was going to do it yesterday, but we was mowing and weed whacking yesterday, so this one here is not getting no flowers for some reason. Here's my tomato plants I started from seeds that I saved myself. Here's the volunteer one here. And I thought I saw some tomatoes on it the other day. Maybe not. Yeah. Probably can't see that. Right there, a little tomato. Oh, a couple of them. Yeah. It might be grape tomato. Let's go over here. I didn't put this hose up yet. I was fertilizing today, like I said. Anyway, here's one tomato popping up here, and it doesn't have blossom rot on it yet. So that's a good thing. I've been fertilizing every week now. And I don't have much tomatoes right now, though. Doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like it. We're about run out of tomato. We've been eating a lot of tomatoes. We've been cutting up about 4 to 6 of them a night. Okay, let me see here. Oh, look, butterfly. I ain't bothering you, fly. I mean, butterfly. Let me pick this yellow one here. Pick this one here. The others I'll keep on for now. Shelly trimmed this bush here. Needs more trimming on, actually. And this is going to be grape tomato plant here. See, I don't see nothing up there. These here, I knocked off the bush with the water hose. I broke a limb off this bush over here, this pepper bush, by accident. And so I just took the peppers off of it. And see, these aren't too big yet, but they haven't turned red on this one yet. There's one here. There's another one. Yeah, we're getting 2 gallon baggies of pepper rings. Here's my milkweed plant, butterfly plant. Now, before you can see these, I don't know if you can see these white spots here on the leaves. It had aphids on it. Find out if you take a hard water spray, you can wash them off of it. They haven't came back yet, and that's been like 3 weeks ago. So that's good. On my other ones way out there, I just spray the aphids off of that one too. Brought my 2 bows out instead of 1. Look at that. That's a long red one. I think I'm gonna keep that one. The skin's not that bad. Yeah. Added to my stuff. Like I said, we use them on I use them on burger, chili, pizza, whatever we're eating. I can add them to. Oh, I even add them to my baked beans too. When we eat pork chops and pork steaks. Okay, I think I'll keep that one too. This one here is the only one that's big in the red ones. If I leave the peppers on too long, usually I throw them away. Yeah, skin's not that bad yet. Yeah, this one tomato plant here, I thought was going to be beefsteak. It turned out to be a grape tomato plant. That's good. We like grape tomatoes anyway. So I just usually pop them in my mouth once in a while. Try to get many over here as I can before they turn red. This is the only jalapeno plant that has them turning red for some reason. I don't know. And I've been using Miracle Grow. I was using Miracle Grow twice a month. Now I'm doing it every week. Not a whole lot of it, but just enough. I would take one of those sprayers and fill it up once every 2 weeks with those pouches, Miracle Grow pouches that you can buy them with. Oh, there's a bunch more red ones here. This one here I'm getting rid of. See how ugly it is. So another one in there too. I'll keep that one. Interesting that this is the only plant making red jalapenos. They start shrimping up on me. See what we got over here. This was the plant I broke that limb off of. But that's why we got so many jalapenos now. But this one here only produces these stocky ones. I have no idea why. And they all came from the same store, the same tray when I bought them. There's one down here. They usually get shriveled up and stuff before they, without turning red. See how thick that thing is. Okay, this is a volunteer tomato plant here. No flowers yet on that one. I can see. There's another jalapeno I grew. This one here is starting to show stocky ones too, I think. This is the mammoth plant here. And they started out being mammoth peppers and then they stopped doing that. I don't know why. I have no idea. Comes off really easy. This is my first time growing mammoth jalapeno, but I don't see a big difference in them. I'd rather just have the smaller, cheaper plants. Like I said, the other one cost me $1 something a piece. This is about $7, this plant here. Oh well, here's one here. I'll pull that one too. Okay, a lot of peppers. Let's go up here. No tomatoes yet. I know I saw some red out here somewhere. Oh. There's a red grape tomato. What do you see back here? See something back here. Oh, there's a couple more. 3. I missed. That one there I'm going to throw away. It's split. What is he in here? Oh, there's a bad one here. Ooh, that's really bad. Roly polies on it. Yep, that one. Bug got that one too. Both of them. Look like animal chews through that one. I don't know. Oh, not much tomatoes. Peppers looking pretty good. I'm gonna keep them on a little bit longer, see what happens. If they start turning black, I'm gonna pick them, or I'll have Shelly pick them ahead of time. So I don't know. I'll just keep up the way I'm fertilizing now. Pick that one too, because I did fertilize today. This one gets a dying stem on it. Well, I want to show you when I was out here fertilizing. Oh, I got a bigger watermelon right here. No root, no blossom right yet. I got this one, I got that one over there. So I'm gonna keep fertilizing the way I'm doing now. Oh yeah, and I did put eggshells in here a while back too, for calcium. Those are the only two I see right now. Oh no, here's another one. Here's the third one. Oh. Probably can't see that with my camera. There's a third one. So, seeing some more tomatoes here too. Well, I was digging for that watermelon. Okay, keeping that one. Picking this one. Oh, I got that one. It wasn't even on the ground or nothing. It was just hanging there. So, okay. Let's run back here to the strawberries. Oh, look at that butterfly right there, a black one. I wonder what kind that is. That's pretty. That's a pretty butterfly. Hey, butterfly. I'm not bothering you. Trying to draw you guys. Seen some strawberries too. Oh. Overripe. Gotta throw those away. Darn it. Oh. Yes, last time I picked some strawberries too, and that's it. That's all the strawberries I seen. Oh well. Okay, let runs over here to the raspberry I forgot about. I'm gonna follow that butterfly. I'll leave you alone. Oh. Shelly been picking raspberry while she walks the dogs. There's a small one. Sometimes the deers come back here and eats off of them. That's good. Oh, that one's, yeah. Well, that's all I got for you now, for right now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Keep coming back. Parting day. See you next time. Later.